This is we call jungle accommodation, tree accommodation. This is the jungle, entire jungle, and these few people having.
Sir, please visit.
Take my some video, and I want to. This is we call cherry, right? Cherry kada idi?
वो चेरी नहीं है, कॉफी.
Huh?
कॉफी.
Coffee. Please come sir. I will show you how it is and how we call to the animals. And this is some kind of waterfall. I will take the waterfalls information. This is waterfall. The water will come upside, and this is the very beautiful water, very cool water. And also there is multiple kind of flowers in this, like white and blue and red, and different kind of accommodation, different kind of atmosphere. And the best part is that this is a very cool accommodation. People are now standing in the 3,000 feet